Hello everyone. In this class, we will discuss 10 most important questions from maths for Goa SSC CBT-1 exam. Look at the first challenge. The question is, which two number x square plus y square, if you add up, the answer is 169. So options are 5, 11, 6, 12, 5, 12, 7 and 10. So either you can do by just squaring and adding. For example, first option is 5 and 11. So 5 square is 25, 11 square is 121. So if we add up 121 and 25, if you just add the last digit 5 plus 1, which is 6, okay, but here the last digit we want in the answer 9, so this option is wrong. Similarly 6 and 12, so 6 square, which is 36, so the last digit is 6, 12 square is 144, so last digit is 4. So if we add them, 6 plus 4 will get last digit is 0, but we want 9, so this is also wrong. Similarly you can check 7 and 10, in that also you will get the wrong answer. So the correct answer is 5 and 12, because 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So if you add them, you will get 169. So the correct answer is 5 and 12. Look at the next question. 17 pence cost 323. So how many for 5, 12, 5, 13? Okay. So 17 pence for 323. So you'll find out the cost of 1 pen. So divide 323 by 17. Okay. No need to divide the full answer. Look at the last digit. Here it is 7 in the denominator, here it is 3. So 7 into which number you will multiply, so you will get last digit as 3. So we have number 9. 7 9s are 63. So last digit is 3. So the last digit we will get 9 in the answer. Okay. Otherwise, if you divide 323 by 17, the last digit in the answer you will get 9. Now whatever this digit you got, that digit you have to divide by 513. Okay. So 513 divided by 9. Last digit is 9. Okay. So which number you'll multiply with 9, so last digit you will get 3. So 9 7s are 63. Okay. So answer, in the answer, last digit you must get 7. Okay. So if you look at all the option, only one option is last digit is 7. So the correct answer is B. Okay. Otherwise you can divide. You can divide this 323 by 17 full. Whatever answer you get, you write down, and that number you divide by 1513. So you will get correct answer 27. The next question, areas of similar triangles are in the ratio 49:81, then the ratio of the sides. So the formula is A1 upon A2 for the similar triangle area. The ratio of the area is equal to side square, A upon B, the whole square. Okay, because area is related to square of the side. So A1 upon A2, that is a ratio of the area which is given 49/81. We have to find out the ratio of the side, means A upon B. So if we take this square, that side, it become root. So root of 49/81 is equal to A upon B. So root of 49 is 7, root of 81 is 9. So the side ratio is 7:9. So whenever area ratio is given, you have to find out the ratio of the side. Just take the root of that. Next question. 5 notebooks plus 3 files cost 115. 3 notebook plus 5 files cost 125. Then what is the cost of one notebook and plus one file? Okay, so let's make into linear equation. 5 notebook, so 5n plus 3 files, so 3f, total cost is 115. Second, 3 notebook means 3n plus 5 files means 5f is equal to 125. So if we add both this equation, 5n plus 3n, which is 8n, 3f plus 5f, which is 8f, 115 plus 125, which is 240. Now we need one notebook plus one file is equal to what? Okay, so if you see here, every number we can divide by 8. So if we divide every numbers by 8, we'll get 8n upon 8, which is n, 8f upon 8, which is f, and 240 upon 8, which is nothing but 30. So the price of one notebook plus one file is nothing but 30. So the correct answer is B here. Next, 0.0078 multiplied by 1000. Okay, so this is a simple trick. For example, any number is given, let's say 0.123 multiplied by 10. So multiply by 10 means you have to shift the decimal one digit. Okay, so the answer is 1.23. Suppose the question is 0.123 multiplied by 100. Okay, so 100 means you have to shift the decimal two digit towards the right. So the answer is 12.3. Okay, so whatever number of zeros are there, that much digit you have to shift the decimal point towards the right. So in this question, thousand means three zeros. Okay, so shift the decimal to the three digit to the right. So 1, 2, and 3. That means decimal point will come between 7 and 8. Okay, so the correct answer is B, 7.8. Next one, sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers. Okay, consecutive odd number means first consecutive number is odd number is 1, after that 3, after that 5, after that 7, after that 9, and so on. Okay, so sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 225. Then the sum of the next 5 is, okay, so for example, if I take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are the first 5 consecutive numbers. Okay, so the next consecutive number which is start with 11, after that 13, after that 15, 17, 19. So if you look at the difference, okay, here the difference is 10, here the difference is 10, here the difference is 10. So difference is 10 from the first number everywhere. Okay, so we want the sum of the next 5 consecutive odd number. So first 5 consecutive odd number sum is 225. So for next 5, we have to just add up by 50. By 50 because the next 5 consecutive numbers are just shifts exactly 10 digits. Okay, so total 5 numbers are there. Every number has 10, 10 numbers gap. So 5 multiplied by 10, which is 50, and 225 extra is there. So 225 plus this 50 extra. So the answer is 275. Okay. So the trick is here, don't solve anything, don't write any equation. Every number in the next set shift up to exactly 10, just like here. So total how many numbers are there? 5. So 5 numbers are shifting exactly 10. So 5 tens are 50. So this you have to add up in 225. So the correct answer is 275. Look at the next question. 45 is 45 added to a number. Okay, now we don't know that number. So let's the number is x. Okay, in that we have added 45. So added means plus 45. 45 added to a number is, so is means is equal to, okay, remember the keyword is means is equal to 3 less than. 3 less than means minus 3. Less than means you have to subtract that number. So 3 less than means minus 3. 4 times that number. So 4 times means 4 multiplied by that number. That number means that x. We have assumed. We don't know that number, so we have assumed x. Okay, so 4 times means 4 multiplied by 3 times means 3 multiplied by times means multiplication, is means is equal to. So if we solve this, if we take this x this side and minus 3 this side, so 45 plus 3 is equal to 4x minus x. 4x minus x is 3x, and this side 45 plus 3, which is 48. Okay, so if we take this 3 in the denominator, it becomes 48 by 3 is equal to x, which is nothing but 16. So the correct answer is C, 16 here. Look at the next one. N divided by 5 leaves the remainder 3. Okay, so if you divide, which number divides by 5? If you divide any number by 5, okay, suppose let's say 15. If you divide 15 by 5, then the remainder is 0. But here the remainder is 3. That means, for example, if I take the number 15, remainder, when we get the remainder 3, for example 18 and 13, remainder 3 means 15 means exactly divisible by 5. Remainder 3 means it is either 3 digit towards the left or 3 digit toward the right. Means 3 digit more or 3 digit left. For example 13 or 18. They are both at a 3 unit distance, correct, from the 15. 15 is completely divisible by 5. But 13, if you divide 13 by 5, so 5 2s are 10, so remainder is 3. Another number is 18. 18 by 5, okay, so 5 3s are 15, you will get remainder 3. Okay, so the numbers are either 13 or 18, because means 3 digit to the right or left. Okay, So the end of the digit is always 3 or 8 whenever the leaves it remainder 3. And another condition is given when that number is divisible by 2, leaves the remainder 1. Okay. So which number is not divisible by 2? Odd numbers only, correct? So if the number is not divisible by 2, if it is divisible by 2, then the remainder is 0. But here leaves the remainder 1, that means it does not divisible by 2. Okay. So number is not divisible by 2, then only it leaves the remainder. That means that number is must be odd number. Okay. So there are two conditions. One is leave the remainder 3. So when it's leave the remainder 3, that means the number is ending with 3 or 8. Another condition is it leaves the remainder 1 when divisible by 2. That means its number must be odd. So we have two number here, either it's end with 8 and either it end with 8 or 3. So which number is odd? Obviously the number which ending with 3, that is odd. A number which ending with 8, that is not odd. Okay, so the correct answer is number which ending with 3. So answer is option number A, 3. Unit digit of that number must be 3. Next one, the question is on probability. Probability of drawing a black face card. Okay, so the two things here, black and face card. So total number of face cards are 12. Out of 12, 6 face cards are red color and 6 face cards are black color. So we want black face card. So black face cards are nothing but 6 and total number of cards are 52. Okay, so denominator is total number, numerator is whatever we want, so that is 6. So 6 upon 52, if we divide, then 3 2s are and 26 2s are. So the correct answer is 3 by 26. Option number B. The next question is on speed, distance and time. So it is given that car covers 240 km in 3 hours. Then how much distance tractor will cover in 6 hours at 1/4 of the speed of car? Okay, so car is covering 240 km in 3 hours. So how much distance tractor will cover in 6 hours and the speed is 1/4 of the car? Okay, so you can see the time is doubled here and the speed is 1/4. So the trick is here, what is the distance covered by car? 240 multiply by what is the time of tractor which is taking with respect to car? Car is taking 3 hours and time is taking 6 hours. So time is doubled here. So we have to multiply by 2. Multiply by distance. So what is the speed? So what is the speed given? Speed of the tractor is 1/4 of the speed of car. So 1/4 means 1 upon 4. So if we cancel out this, 2 2s are 4 and 2 12s are 24 and 1 0 is remaining. So total distance is 120 km. Okay. So whenever this kind of question will come, you just write down the distance, multiply by whatever the time, double, triple, and multiply by the speed. You will get the distance covered by the another object. Okay. So this is all the important question for your maths exam. If you like this video and tricks, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.